We'll be using Vitest, which is a test framework created by the developers of Vite, which we were already using. So you might be more familiar with Jest, and this is a newer test framework that has almost the same API, but in my opinion is much nicer to work with and is faster and more pleasant to use. So let me start by installing that as a developer dependency here. And then we'll add a script to the backend package. So dev will say test should be Vitest run, and just get rid of that old one there. So now it will run Vitest, and we can configure it, but let's do that in a second because the default configuration actually works quite well for us out of the box. So I'm going to create a test file here in the backend in the source folder. I'm going to call it app router. I should put it in this folder here. And I will paste this in here. So our app router, as you might recall, has this ping endpoint. And this test here will simply call that, the ping endpoint, and it will expect the result to be Pong, which is what comes out of the result. So a few things to note here. The describe, expect, and it functions, which are in the global namespace when you're using Jest, have to be imported. So that is the primary difference from Jest. There are some other few small things that you need to be aware of, but other than that, everything should feel completely recognizable to you. Let's see what happens if I run tests. It looks like our test succeeds.
If you want to keep learning about how to build real-world apps with the latest technologies and other career-related topics, then start right now by subscribing to our channel and liking this video.